Hi, Joe. I just wanted to share the course content that I created. I am in Student View, and if I click on course content, I have a couple of items I was playing around with. The week one module, I did a folder and a couple of items, and then I realized that I needed to create a module. So I went back and recreated another one that gave me the table of contents. So I just did a reading assignment and I added some media. See if this will click on. So
Hi, my name is Chris Bouguet, and I'm a specialized instructional facilitator for assistive.
that is the video that I added, and then I also tried to add a picture. Um, so those are the three things that I added within course content. I hope that is correct. I did have a little trouble. I put over here under course content. Let's see if it'll exit. I put over here under course content, I created a content area and tried to put week one in here, and then to be able to click on week one and open up a module. But when I clicked to student view, I was unable to see the week one module under course content. So if you want to help me clarify why that was the way it was, that would be great. Um, Let me know if there was anything else I needed to do for the final module. Thank you. Have a good day.